So fast, easy painting is ready. So how to paint easy flower? We take brush and make it wet. First we should prepare colors, prepare paint. So we take red color and make it very liquid. When brush dry already, we put only tip in paint. So we have here on tip we have paint and wet brush, and we put tip and paper and press brush. So, and now we can make first petal. How we do this? We press, 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 and take away. So tip standing in the same place, but brush going like press every time. We make this color more bright and liquid. Make brush liquid, a little dry. Tip again in paint. And next to this first petal we place our brush and continue these movements like you press a little bit your brush. So make dry. Next petal. So now here we will leave this place in the middle and we take again paint, and now we will make petal. Here will be dark, but here will be light color and almost disappear. So now we take some place from here, for example, and begin to make this petal. And again press, 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 and turn. When you see that already brush not so wet, some water we add for brush, and again take away a little liquid and put tip in paint, and again press, 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 press. And when you take up your brush a little bit, we move it like in middle. Yeah, also one petal we can make, so close to this petal, put brush and paint one petal. Here, example also. So what I want to do to make it round, this place should be round. And we continue now. Again make wet brush, clean. Paint on tip. And now we will paint here petals. So we should see this border from first petals. And next to these borders, press, but these petals won't be so big, so it's a little bit and continue a little bit also. And again here also. Put brush, press, 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 and we move close to these first petals. Now we can paint kleiner Pintel. So kleiner, we can paint a small flower here somewhere. The same technique, press, 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 turn, turn, press, 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 and close to this petal, one petal. If you want more color, you can paint again. For these petals, what you already make, you can paint again to make deeper color and to come all petals, to connect them if you want. And then I make here, gathering all petals together. And now we can change our brush, use brush smaller. So we take green color, and to make small stem, to make small stem, we need to make brush full of color. So we put brush for all surface of brush, all brush, all brushes. We put down and turn, and we have full brush of color and thin tip. So, and now it should be fast and without big pressure, should be fast move, fast move. So from here, without big pressure, fast movement. And here also, from here, fast movement. But here we also make some leaf, make color not so bright, make color liquid and not so bright. And from here, press, brush, and go up. So we put on point, press, brush, and go up. And the same way we can make leaves. So start, then press, continue, and when you want to go up, you get up and make like this. So one more time, press and make like this. And here can also make so, and small some leaves here. And now we can make in the middle this place. So just black color. We paint a poppy, so black color and some points, some drops. Don't forget that this leaf, it's first leaf, so from here we cut under this leaf, on this leaf we can't paint, so we go only up. And because our place is wet, so we have this special moment. So fast, easy painting, just ready.